We in Ohio. Y'all know me, y'all know him. It's not TV, it's the house, baby.
Oh, hello everybody. So my camera died because I'm unprepared during my action match. And then I didn't charge it enough in time for the team event. Long story short, I bowled more action matches. I won both of those. Our team didn't bowl very well. It was me, Mikey, and Chris. Here we are today. It's qualifying for the singles event. We're bowling for $12,000 up top. A squad's bowling right now. The left looks walled. Need that. So we're gonna go watch some people, film some of our friends, and then we'll get to bowling at 4.
To get in trouble and she bad news. Beautiful skin full of tattoos. She already know I'm that dude. Yeah, it's true.
Mikey, what's your point total?
I have 140 positive points with 2 games remaining.
I have 223 positive points, also with 2 games remaining.
2 rounds remaining.
2 rounds remaining, 2 matches.
Ask me where I'm going, she don't ask you. Okay, she like to go out party drinking liquor. Hit the gym, get her butt a little bigger. The way she move it, I might have to go and tip her. Every time I'm with her, I think that I need another liver. She hit me up late night, in the daytime. She be cooping for the same, but that girl got everything I like. So we just live it up tonight. She bad news, she breaking the rules. That's just what she do. Watch out how she move. Know we getting lit.
The left is walled. Let's go. All right, 8 games qualifying on what are we bowling on, Jordan? 45 feet or something?
45 feet of the left side China.
Say it again.
I'm going on the 12K lefty China tournament.
I'm going, she don't ask you. I love to get in trouble and she bad news. Beautiful skin full of tattoos. She already know I'm that dude. Yeah, it's true. Ask me where I'm going, she don't ask.
Guys, Michael just told me that I don't always need a purple.
No, he does not.
You always need a purple. Even though I shot 181 the first game and my purple looked awful, and then I just ball changed to reactive and it looks great, still need a purple.
No.
He's like the tournament leader not throwing purple, but I'm not gonna listen to him because hard-headed. Sorry.
Ain't no one tying you down, so let me just get it tonight. Give me the word, it's on sight. Do your best, ruin my life. To get in trouble and she bad news. Beautiful skin full of tattoos. She already know I'm that dude. Yeah, it's true. Ask me where I'm going, she don't ask you. I love to get in trouble and she bad news. Beautiful skin full of tattoos. She already know I'm that dude. Yeah, it's true. Ask me where I'm going, she don't ask you.
Should we tell him the key to your success?
Man, you gotta have that glizzy with the sauteed onions on it, man. Ain't no question.
Hey guys, Kevin here. Remember when I said that the left was walled and the top 20 are left-handed? I am not even close to the top 20. But man, we're having a great time. Coincidentally, when we need to pop off 2 big games, we hit the worst pair of the day. So we're grinding right now. We got double spare, strike spare, strike spare. Need that 230 big time. I made it interesting. I was minus after 4, and I thought the cut would be around 200, and I was like, man, I gotta average 250. I hit a pair where I couldn't really figure it out. I look up, I'm like, I gotta throw the back 7 for 230 to get to 178. Somehow, some way I did that. So I went about 200 over the last 4 to get in close to the number. I think I'm just above the number. So never say die, right? Or never say never, or whatever they say. Never give up. Yeah, a little bummed by my performance, to be honest. I didn't bowl very good the first 4. I just wrong ball choices, wrong part of the lane. Just, I don't know. I really underthought that the left was walled. So I didn't think it mattered that much where I threw it, and I just thought, oh, I'll be in this part of the lane and they'll do the right thing. And I was very much wrong. So dialed in the last 4, started figuring them out, made some really good shots, and yeah, so we'll see you guys tomorrow. Tim, what's the first thing you said to me when you saw me?
I was confused why you were down on this side of the building with all the right-handers and like the 30s and 40s in the standings.
So the way bowling works for me is I'm just very mediocre, but here I am, you know.
Hey,
I did this so I could bowl next to you.
what a guy.
So I could just watch you
That
do
is
your
so
thing.
nice of you. Like that.
And we could hang out all day.
It's so nice that you could be a charity case for us down here.
Alright, 6 games, cashers round to try to get to the top 10 for the match play. I'm like 120 out, so we need a big old block. It's out there for someone, maybe not me, but for someone it's out there.
I can't get it anywhere with that going.
just when I thought I could make a run and was within 40 of the number, then I only bowled 215, and now I'm 80 back to the number. So we're gonna shoot 244 points this last game. Well, second to last game. And then I'm gonna try to shoot maximum points for 300 and hope we make it. Someone send me some luck. Hey Tim, you got maximum points.
I did. You get a look at this scorecard.
Okay.
138, 300.
That's much improved.
I over doubled my score.
Much improved. I'll sign it for you. Hey guys, what is the 2 lowest games you've smashed around a 300? Because Tim's lowest is this. Yeah, I'll sign it. That's my signature.
Thank you, Kevin.
You're welcome. You know when you guys go to be a smart bowler and make a ball change and you didn't need to make a ball change? Same.
Started alright.
I tried. I gave myself false hope. Alright guys, a long weekend comes to an end with a double sweeper, action matches, the next day a team sweeper, more action matches, Saturday qualifying for the 12K singles event, the cashers round today. I'm tired. I bowled okay, I bowled bad, I bowled good. I did it all. A little bit of everything, but it was fun. It's a fun weekend. Jody puts on a great weekend. A lot of good bowling. Yeah, that's about it. We'll see you guys next time.
I love to get in trouble and she bad news. Beautiful skin full of tattoos. She already know I'm that dude. Yeah, it's true. Ask me where I'm going, she don't ask you. I love to get in trouble and she bad